Welcome, in front of me is a REALME Pad Mini, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you're going to open up settings. From here, navigate all the way down to System and select Advanced, Reset Options, and delete all data factory reset. This will give you a list of different things that will be removed from your device. Now the more important ones are the three bottom ones, the music, photos, and user data, because these are primarily ones that you will be keeping locally on your device, and those are also items that you'd usually put on the device yourself. The three first ones, like downloaded apps, app data, and all that stuff, these are things that are cloud stored or locally stored, but when it comes down to things like downloaded apps, you can re-download them. App data is also regained once you download the apps and change the settings, so it's not really anything that I should worry about. Now, if you want to create a backup of any of the listed items, do so right now before you start erasing it. Otherwise, this data will be completely removed and this cannot be undone. Once you have created your backup, or maybe you just simply don't want to, proceed further by selecting Erase All Data twice, and this will now begin factory resetting our device. Now this process will take probably 2 minutes to finish up, and once the reset is finished, we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.